There's a new stage definitely coming. I think the United States President's speech recently about refocusing NASA's goals towards the moon and Mars was a good speech and will help add focus to the world space program. I think the fact that China launched a human being into space last year is also very significant. So yes, I think beginning of this century... Over.
Okay, it's ISS. It's coming over. Dead on time. Wow, absolutely gorgeous.
200 degrees Celsius on the surface of metal that's exposed to the sun, or as cold as maybe minus 100 degrees Celsius if it's facing towards deep space all the time and shaded from the sun. Over.
Straight through Corona the Crown.
Well, Alicia, the Earth is part of the universe, and that's why I like living in space, in that I am orbiting the Earth, but I have a very nice view of the rest of the universe, and it's our neighborhood. Over.
I'm waving. Hi, astronauts. Wow. Oh, what a meteor. Nice shot. Wow, it's flaring a little. Solar panels reflecting sunlight. That's virtually overhead. I'm going to have to rotate.
Я укрепил здесь, последовал все близлежащие стоящие панели, список 7 и 95. Нет того номера, что вы дали, но база, естественно, база показывает то, что мне дали. Вот я нашел, здесь есть ПЗУ с УКТ номера. Оканчивается 6326 УКТ, а ПЗУ...
Absolutely gorgeous. Let's come to the Earth's shadow. Already. Can hardly see it. I'm sure it must be there, but I think it's gone. Wow.